Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make blocks in a game environment. First, let's understand the core concepts of block creation. We'll cover the basic tools you'll need, like a modeling program or an in-engine editor. Setting up your workspace correctly is crucial for a smooth workflow, saving you valuable time and effort. We'll ensure you are ready to start building immediately, making the process straightforward and enjoyable. Now, let's dive into the building blocks themselves. You can start with fundamental shapes such as cubes, spheres, or cylinders, which are the foundation of most structures. Applying the right materials is key. Think about wood, metal, or stone to give your blocks character. Don't forget to consider texture and color to enhance their visual appeal and fit your project's aesthetic. Moving on, let's explore some advanced customization. You can scale blocks along 3 axes or rotate them precisely by 90 degrees or more to create intricate designs. Combining several basic blocks allows you to construct complex structures, like a detailed building or a unique prop. You can also implement custom properties, such as making a block destructible or interactive, adding depth to your creations. Finally, let's talk about optimizing and exporting your creations. It is important to optimize block geometry to ensure smooth performance, especially if you have many blocks. Proper collision detection is vital for interactive elements, allowing characters or objects to interact realistically. Once everything is perfect, you can export your finished blocks, ready to be integrated seamlessly into your game or project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.